You're lying in bed, and suddenly your brain decides it's the perfect time to rehearse an argument with someone who mildly inconvenienced you 3 years ago. You script the perfect comeback, you anticipate their response, you win the argument completely. And then you realize this conversation will never happen. If this sounds familiar, your brain isn't broken. It's actually doing something surprisingly sophisticated. Rehearsing imaginary conversations is called inner speech elaboration, and it's far more common than most people admit. You do it before job interviews, before confrontations, before asking someone out. Sometimes you do it for situations that have zero chance of occurring, like finally telling off that coworker who left passive-aggressive notes in 2019. The conversation feels so real that your heart rate actually increases. Your palms might sweat. Your body can't tell the difference between the rehearsal and reality. Here's what's actually happening. Your brain is running simulations. Neuroscientists call this prospective mental simulation. Your prefrontal cortex is essentially a prediction machine, and it's trying to prepare you for social threats. Humans are tribal. For most of our evolutionary history, saying the wrong thing could get you exiled from the group, which meant death. So your brain developed this habit of rehearsing to keep you socially safe. But here's the twist. People who do this most intensely tend to score higher in emotional intelligence. They're not anxious, they're thorough. Their brains are running more complex social simulations than the average person. The problem, modern life doesn't require this level of preparation. You're bringing a supercomputer to a casual coffee chat. So what do you do with this information? First, recognize that this habit means you care deeply about your relationships. You're not obsessive, you're invested. Second, notice when the rehearsal shifts from useful to rumination. Preparing for tomorrow's meeting? Useful. Replaying a conversation from 2016? That's your brain stuck in a loop. The goal isn't to stop the simulations, it's to recognize them as simulations, not prophecies, not threats, just your brain doing what it evolved to do. Your mind rehearses conversations because it's trying to protect you. It's not a flaw, it's a feature of a brain that takes social connections seriously. The question isn't how to make it stop, it's how to appreciate what it's trying to do and gently remind it that you're safe.